Hey students of class 9, Abhay Shukla this side. Students, we are going to begin your Bihag today and we will deal with the first chapter, the fun they had. So here if we look at the title is giving us the symptoms that it is actually something about the past, the fun day that they had in the past. Okay, so in this chapter, as you know very well, as we have discussed all these things in the school WhatsApp group, the chapter is all about the future, which is actually set in 2157. So now let's to the chapters line by line. Margie even wrote about it in that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. So Margie wrote about this incident that today Tommy found a real book and the date was 17 May 2157. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all the stories were printed on the paper. The grandfather of Margie, okay, like the sixth generation is going on, he told the grandfather of Margie that there was a time when all the stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awful funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to. So actually it was past, it was the future time when the words are there, like you have seen in the bulletin on the bottom, there is the words, they are moving from one place to another like this. Okay, but now the words are fixed like this one. The word is fixed. If you turn the page and if you will, once again if you come back, then you will find the same word over here. Okay. So they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awful funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the pages before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it on the first time. Okay. So this I explained. Tommy said, what a waste. When you are going through with the book, you just throw it away. So Tommy was very irritated. He was, what a waste. It is a waste. Just when you are with such silly books, you just want to throw it all those things. I guess our television still must have had millions of books on it, and it's good to plenty more. I couldn't throw it away. There are a lot of books on the television screen, and they don't throw those books away. So same with mine, said Margie. Margie said, yes, same is also with me. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy. What is telebook? Telebook means an e-book. So same with mine. Margie said, she was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Tommy was 13 and Margie was 9. She said, where did you find it? In my house. He pointed looking because he was busy reading in the attic. So he told that while reading the book, he just pointed over the attic, that on the attic I found the book. Okay. So Margie was confused. What is it about? Now Margie asked the question, what the book is all about. He answered, school. What? Margie was confused. Now she was very irritated. School? What is there to write about the school? I hate school. So she said, I hate school. What is there to write about the school? Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. From the very beginning, Margie used to hate schools, but now that hatred had touched its extremity. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So as the mechanical teacher was giving her test after test in the geography, and she was doing even worse than worse, as till her mother came to her and shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county's inspector. Sent for means called for the county's inspector. He was a round little man. Now we are going to know about the county inspector. County inspector was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. She took the teacher apart, and he took the teacher apart. So after giving Margie an apple to eat, the mechanical teacher took the county inspector took the mechanical teacher apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again. So Margie was thinking that after opening it up, he will not be able to know how to once again put it together. So, but he knew how all right, but he knew the things, and after an hour or so, it was large, black, and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Once again, it was in front of the robotic teacher was in front of her, and with all the lessons shown and questions were asked. That was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot. Slot is the place where she get her homework. Like when you can understand, for example, from the ATM machine, from where you receive money. Okay, that slot. Where she had put the homework and test papers, she had to write them about in a punch code. So now she is telling us that she had to write all the things in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. Now she knows that punch code language when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. And within no time, the mechanical teacher calculated the marks. And the inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. Once inspector finished, he smiled and patted at Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. Now we come across the name of the Margie's mother. The name is Mrs. Jones." I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. There was upgraded version of the geography sector. So those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Now the level is of 10 years. You will not face any problem. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he petted Margie's head again. And now once again, just as we appreciate you all, in the same way, the mechanical teacher appreciated Margie and said that her progress is quite satisfactory. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. But Margie was not happy. She was thinking that they would take the robotic teacher away. And they had taken once Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. As in the beginning, they had taken Tommy's robotic teacher for about 1 month. And at that time, they have a holiday, because the whole history sector had blanked out completely. And why they had taken that chapter, as the history sector was completely blank. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about the school? Why anyone would write about the school?" Tommy looked at her with superior eyes, because it was not our kind of school. As the school is not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundred years ago. This is an old kind of school. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Margie was hurt. "Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago." She read the book over his shoulders for a while, and then she said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." Okay, so they had a teacher. She said, "Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man." Yes, they have a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. The teacher is is a human being. A man? How can a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So what he do? He only sent boys and girls homework and asked them questions. A man is not smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much as I teacher. So now he said, "I can bet that he knows as much as my teacher." Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, "I won't want a strange man in my house to teach me. I cannot accept an strange man to come into my house and to teach me." So Tommy screamed with laughter, "No, fool, you don't know much, Margie. The teacher didn't live in the houses. They had a special building and all the kids went there. So they actually have a special building and they went there. All the kids went there. And the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were of the same age. But my mother says the teacher has to be adjusted to be fit of each boy and girl a teacher." So as my dear mother told them that teacher should be adjusted as per the need of the boys and girls, it should be fixed. Okay, as each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they didn't do it that with them. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called. "Margie, school." So they were gossiping in between. Her mother called from far away, and "Margie, school. It's time to school." Margie looked up. "Not yet, Mama." So now said Mrs. Jones, "And it is probably time for Tommy too." Now Tommy, it's also your turn. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after the school? Can I read your book with you after the school? Maybe he said nonchalantly, he walked away whistling. So he, in ignorance, in showing superiority, he whistled and moved from there. The dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Means on Saturday and Sunday they have holiday. Okay? Because her mother said girls learn better if they learn at a regular hour. So now the importance of the your timetable. If you are learning at interval as a regular hours, then definitely you will be benefited a lot. The screen was light up and it says today's arithmetic lesson is on addition of proper fraction. Now the mechanical teacher was on and there was a message on the screen. Today's arithmetic lesson is on addition of the proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old school they had when the grandfather was a little boy. When the grandfather's grandfather was a little boy, they enjoyed a lot. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk all about it. So as they all are learning the same things like you all are learning, so that's why they can help one another, each other in solving the problems. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction 1/2 and. So this was the question that came over there. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now Margie has understood the real concept of the schools and the real fun that they enjoyed at their schools in the past time. So this is, students, this is all about the chapter. You are open to ask anything in the school WhatsApp group. Thank you. Keep learning and keep watching.